We're at the Elephant Nature Park office in Chiang Mai. We're just checking in and we're about to leave for the Elephant Nature Park for our week-long adventure volunteering at the dog rescue project. There's some dogs walking around here. We're getting some t-shirts and some swag. And what else? It's early and I'm tired, but excited and nervous. We just arrived at the Elephant Nature Park and we are just settling ourselves and enjoying the beautiful scenery. We passed the dog area where we're going to be most of the time and we saw just a few of them, lots and lots of barking we heard. Now we're just here hanging out with the elephants. Yeah, the first day is the beginning of the day.
It's pretty cool right now. There's like animals everywhere in this park. Everywhere you look, there's an animal.
Some cows in the background. We have some cats around here. Jonathan, this is like the best part of my trip so far.
Yeah. We met a very friendly cat. Already. Very friendly cat.
It's all very exciting.
Lots of elephants. We've been warned to stay behind the red line. The elephants are hungry sometimes. Hi. Say hi to the camera.
Ew. Like, give me more. Yeah.
Okay. It's very calm. There you go, some elephants for you. Fun elephants. Very sweet.
We already here 10 years.
A lot.
I swear, someone just like let a corgi loose in Thailand and that dog impregnated everyone.
Hi.
We don't have any. have to at least try it on.
Ooh. Just finished our tour. Now we're about to eat some delicious vegetarian food.
Yes.
Danielle's very excited right now.
She is.